Okay, this is another example, and the reason I chose this example was to show you the importance of including the sign of each term when you do this splitting up. So let's write out the question. It's 2x squared minus 4 times 3 minus x. And just like the last time, the first step is to split up the first parentheses. So it's 2x squared, and then this is what the key is. This is where the key comes into it. We have to include the minus. When we split up, we have to include the minus with the 4. You can't just take 4. It has to be negative 4. Okay, and we're going to multiply that, each of those parts, by everything in the second parentheses. Okay, now this is going to be a quicker video because I'm not going to write out the steps involved in multiplication and addition again. If you want that, go back and look at the first video on distribution. So we're going to take the 2x squared, we're going to multiply it by 3, and we're also going to multiply it by negative x. Then we're going to take the negative 4, and we're going to multiply it by 3, and we're going to multiply it by negative x. Okay, so that's what we're about to do here now. So 2x squared by 3, 3 2's are 6, and that's going to be 6x squared. Then you have 2x squared by negative x. It's a plus in front of the 2x squared, so plus times a minus is minus. 2x squared by x is going to be 2, and then for the variables, because the variables are the same, you increase the power by 1. You add the powers together, so 2 plus 1. Now over here, for the second half of this question, negative 4 times 3, that's negative 4 times positive 3 is going to be negative 12. And then negative 4 times negative x. A minus times a minus is a plus 4 by x. Now, if you look at this, you'll know that there are no like terms, so you're actually done here. If you want to, you can write it in standard form, which would mean writing the term that has the highest power, in this case negative 2x cubed, first, but you don't have to do that. You're actually finished at this point. Just for, I suppose, convention, and keeping with styles and fashions, we'll write it in standard form. So the highest power is x cubed, so that's negative 2x cubed. Then the plus 6x squared. Now we didn't have a sign in front of it here, but there is a plus, and if you're not writing it down first, you have to include the plus. So plus 6x squared, then plus 4x, and the constant always comes at the end. Now remember, usually there is some addition or subtraction involved in this step, but here we had no like terms, so we're actually done more quickly. And that's that problem.